Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to talk to you today about something that's been on my mind a lot lately. Multilingual AI. As a linguist and AI enthusiast, I'm fascinated by the power of language and how it shapes our thinking. And I truly believe that multilingual AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and understand each other. So, first things first, what the heck is multilingual AI anyway? Well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's a type of artificial intelligence that can understand and process multiple languages. Which is pretty amazing when you think about it, because most of us struggle to even learn one language, let alone several. Okay, so why should we care about multilingual AI? Well, for starters, it has the potential to bridge cultural divides and foster greater understanding and empathy between people from different backgrounds. And let's face it, in today's globalized world, that's more important than ever. Plus, there are a ton of practical applications for multilingual AI, like language translation, customer service, and international business. Now, I don't want to make it sound like developing multilingual AI is all sunshine and rainbows. In fact, there are some pretty big challenges involved. For one thing, teaching a machine to understand multiple languages requires a ton of training data and programming expertise. And each language has its own unique features and nuances, which makes it hard to create a one-size-fits-all approach. Plus, understanding the cultural context behind each language is a whole other ballgame. So, how do we even go about developing multilingual AI? Well, there are a few different approaches. One is to use machine translation software to translate text from one language to another. This is a pretty straightforward approach, but it may not capture all the nuances of each language. Another approach is to use neural machine translation, which is a more sophisticated technique that relies on deep learning algorithms to improve the accuracy and fluency of translations over time. And then there's the idea of multilingual embedding, which involves representing words in a way that captures their meaning across multiple languages. This is a really promising approach because it allows AI to make connections between languages and understand the relationships between them. Okay, so we've talked about what multilingual AI is, why it's important, and how it's developed. But how do we even know if it works? Well, testing multilingual AI is a complex process that involves evaluating its ability to perform tasks in multiple languages. This could include things like language translation, sentiment analysis, and even text generation. And it's not just about accuracy. We also need to consider factors like speed, scalability, and user experience. So, there you have it, a brief overview of multilingual AI and why it matters. As someone who's passionate about language and technology, I truly believe that multilingual AI has the power to change the world. But we still have a long way to go before we can fully realize its potential. So if you're interested in AI or language, I encourage you to keep learning and exploring this exciting field. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.